Let's look at this question now. If a 3-digit number has at least 1 4 and at least 1 5 as digits, then the number of 3-digit numbers greater than 100, wherein the position value of each 5 is larger than the position value of each 4 equals. So the scenario is that we have to make 3-digit numbers greater than 100, right? In which the 5 has to come at a larger position value than the 4, and there has to be at least 1 4 and 1 5, right? So the possible cases could be that 5 can come in this place and 4 can come in this place, right? Second case could be, and this would be the third case. Second case could be that 5 come in this place and 4 come in this place, then 5 come in this place and 4 come in this place, right? There are no other possibilities, right? Now we need to find the number of such numbers. So let's see, for the first case, at first place, because I need numbers greater than 100, so I can place numbers. Okay, so number involving 4 or 5, I have not or let's make them separately, right? Let's make them separately. The case where this number consists of only 4s and 5s would be, the first case would be that 554, right? It would be one such number. And it is possible that 544 would be a number, right? And in this case, it is possible that 554. Okay, so 554 is the same number. So there are only two possibilities, right, of these number, where these number consist of 2 5s and 2 4s, right? So one is this, one is this. Now I cannot place 4 and 5 here. I cannot place 0 here. So from 10 digits, I cannot place 3 digits. So it can be filled in 7 ways. It can be filled in 1 ways. It can be filled in 1 way. So the total number of such numbers would be 7. Okay, I can fill this place in how many ways? I cannot place 5 and 4. I can place 0 here. So there would be 8 ways to fill this place. 1 way, 1 way. So we get total 8 numbers of such type. Then here I can place 0, but I cannot place 5 and 4 because I have taken care of all 5s and 4s in a separate case. So total number of cases would be same, 8 here, right? So total cases are 8 and 8, 16, 16 and 7 is 23. So there are 23 such numbers plus 2 numbers of this type. So total cases are 25, or such 25 numbers exist.